We'll go across to Lahali where that match was played. Joining me is my colleague Yash Chawla. I believe Yash, Diwali came a few days early for Lahali simply because Sachin was playing.
Well, absolutely right, Nikhil. Diwali did actually come a few days early. And also just to take a point that Ajay made that, a lot of youngsters can learn from what Sachin has done. But apart from that, a lot of people here in Lahali are inspired from what Sachin has done. I'll talk to a couple of them. पहले मैं माता जी आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, आपको पता है सचिन तेंदुलकर कौन है?
तो भाई हमारे गांव में पहले स्पेंडर में आया था सचिन, बहुत बढ़िया मैच कराया और मैं देख का आई थी कति और मैं पुरस्कार नहीं पाई, मैं पुरस्कार का हूँ और हमारे गांव में पहले में बहुत खुशी हुई से।
उसके अलावा मैं और यहाँ लोगों से पूछना चाहूंगा कि सचिन यहाँ पे आए, एक बहुत छोटा सा गांव जिसको पहले कोई ना जानता था, आज इंटरनेशनल मीडिया तक लाली को जानती है। कैसा लगता है आपको ऐसा सोच के?
हमें अपने आप पे गर्व हुआ कि हमारे गांव में सचिन जैसा एक महान खिलाड़ी आया, क्योंकि दुनिया में उसके बराबर का कोई नहीं है, उस जैसी इंसानियत, और हमारे गांव में वो आया, हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है। हम काफी उत्साहित थे, हमने फ्लैक्स वगैरह सब कुछ पेपर न्यूज में दिया कि भाई ये मैं इस बात का आभार मानता हूं कि अनुरोध चौधरी जो बीसीसीआई के सेक्रेटरी है उनका, और महेंद्रा जो एचसीए के सेक्रेटरी, और खास तौर से दीपेंद्र हुड्डा जो हमारे सांसद हैं उसका, और सीएम साहब का, क्योंकि उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया था कि हम ऐसी सिक्योरिटी देंगे, एक विश्वसनीय सिक्योरिटी होगी और आपको ये मैच कराना होगा। क्योंकि मेरी दीपेंद्र जी से बात हुई थी दशहरा को, उन्होंने कहा था हम आपका मैच कराएंगे, तो काफी गर्व महसूस हुआ और हम ये मानते हैं कि हमारा जीवन सफल हो गया।
उसके अलावा मैं एक चीज और पॉइंट आउट करना चाहूंगा, वन मोर थिंग दैट आई लाइक टू रीट्रेट इज दैट अपार्ट फ्रॉम पीपल फ्लॉकिंग एंड वाचिंग द मैच हियर, देयर इज अ लॉट दैट दे हैड gathered and garnered from this match. हमारे साथ विजेंद्र जी हैं, आपने चाय का स्टॉल लगाया था ग्राउंड के बाहर, आप लोगों ने इतनी कमाई करी जितनी आप साल भर में नहीं कर पाते, तो कैसा लगता है उसके बाद?
उसके बाद में मेरे को अच्छा लगता है जी।
और सचिन जो आप कह रहे थे, मुझे आपने बताया मुझे कि सचिन आपके बड़े भाई जैसे हैं, और आपको अच्छा लगा कि सचिन इस गांव में आए?
सचिन भैया हमारे को राम जैसे लगा कि भाई हमारे गांव में बहुत पहली बार आया है और ये स्टेडियम में मैच किया है उसने, उसके कारण हमने दुकान लगाई है चाय की और हमारे बिक्री हुई है 30,000 रुपए की, और पीछे वो जीतने के बाद में हमने चाय फ्री दे दिया जी।
So that is it, Nikhil. People have actually gathered and garnered and learned so much from the Masters visit. It's not just the Ranji players who have learned, but these villagers here have gained a lot.
Okay, most interesting comment there coming from that old lady. She may not know what cricket is, what LBW is, what caught behind is, but she definitely knows who Sachin Tendulkar is. So he's of course larger than the game in India. Let's now go across to my colleague Rika Roy and let's take a look at Sachin's career in terms of numbers and especially his domestic career.
Thank you very much, Nikhil. Sachin Tendulkar's parting Ranji shot made the opposition captain Ajay Jadeja say, "Who can fight with God?" Mumbai began their title defence with a 4-wicket win and Sachin was the architect of that victory, remaining not out on 79. Now let's take a look at his overall Ranji record. Since he has been a permanent member of the national team since his debut in 1989, the Little Master has played only 38 matches. But despite that, he has scored over 4,000 runs with 18 hundreds and 19 50s. Sachin has also been involved in 5 Ranji Trophy title wins for Mumbai. And the Master has a Bradman-esque average in Ranji Trophy. His average of 87 is second only to that of Vijay Merchant, who played for Mumbai in another era. The Master was drafted into Bombay's Ranji team in 1988 after Dilip Vengsarkar, the then Mumbai captain, saw him face Kapil Dev in the nets. After waiting in the wings for a year, being part of the Bombay squad when he finally made the cut, Sachin announced his arrival with an unbeaten century against Gujarat. Now here's a look at that scorecard. The match was drawn and Sachin could only display his skills in one inning. He was the highest run getter for the team that was called Bombay at that time during his debut in 1988. Sachin is also the only player to score centuries in all 3 Indian domestic competitions on debut. He got a ton against Gujarat in Ranji Trophy in 1988 and in the following year he made centuries in his maiden Irani appearance against Delhi and then in his Dilip Trophy debut game against East Zone. The world knows Sachin Tendulkar as the man who ruled international cricket for 24 years. But the domestic records of this great man show just what a thorough professional he's been always stepping up to the plate with the same intensity regardless of which level of cricket he was playing. Back to Nikhil now, and I guess we have more with Ajay and Mr. Rajput waiting there in the Mumbai studio.
That's right, Rika. I'll go across to Ajay now. Ajay, I saw pictures of after the game, or it may have been during the game, that he came into the Haryana dressing room and spoke to the youngsters. What kind of lesson did he impart to those young kids, and how much will it help them?
Haryana dressing room had actually older people in there. He did. I mean, we were fortunate to have him, and it was nice of him to have taken time out and come talk to the boys, because you can't get this opportunity, and especially when he's batted there and has beaten them.